Click the Eyefit play.exe file to start the program. Click this blue camera icon in the Eyefit Play main menu. Show the Eyefit Play QR code to the camera window. Then it will start calibration and followed by the training games. Here is the calibration process. It only takes around 30 seconds to complete.
Ready?
For demonstration purpose, in this video we only show one of the 4 training games.
Yay!
After the game, it will go back to the QR code scanning window. It is now ready for scanning another QR code to start another training game. You may also check the score history by clicking the button here in the main menu. Thank you for watching this demo video. If you have any questions, please visit our website, www.possibletechnology.com.